Well, kids, we're back. It's another Sunday, this time in July. It's the 24th, about 12:30. Right now I have the top up because the sun's beating on my brains. But we're going to take another drive, folks. We'll catch up with you about a half an hour west of here. Okay? We're going out towards Hancock, so you go look on Google Maps, or the map I provide for you. And we'll pick it up there where I stop and put the top down. We're going out to a little section of Green Ridge State Forest. So we'll see you in about a half an hour. Later much. It's still working. Okay, I'm just checking things here real quick. Coolant's good. Okay, what else have we got here? Coolant's good. Tires are up to temp. 55,668 is what's on this thing. I bought this thing in 2013. So it's 9 years old. It had 17,000 miles on it. It's got 55 on it now. It's still in pretty good shape. Okay, we'll be back later, kids. I'm just making sure things are cool before we go. All right, kids, we're back. It's now like 1:15. I'm in Hancock. I just came off of 68. And we're gonna go west on Dish for a bit until I get to Woodmont. So, we're coming into old historic Hancock, the oldest town, basically, in Washington County. In fact, we're going to leave Washington County and sneak over a tiny bit into Allegheny. So, that's what we're doing. So we'll be back in a bit. Alright, gang, we're back. This is the impromptu stop for the car show that I didn't know was starting. We'll start with this. Bad old pieces of iron, baby. Old Studi. Old Chevy. Speaking of Chevys, there's a nice Chevy there. Not a drag head. 675 on it. So there's about 25, maybe 30 cars here. Some cool stuff. Some seriously cool stuff. It was worth stopping. Kicking old Chevy. For you Mopar fans, we got the Magic Duster and Grabber Aber Blue. 340, that's what I had in the Challenger. Oh, somebody's changed the motor in that old GM thing. An old Ford. Oh, he's got the big turbo up front too. Oh, cool. Check this out, honey. Oh, you're gonna like that. I'm gonna have to do a screensaver of that. Back in a bit. Well, there you go, kids. What do you think of that? Pretty sweet. The old Trans Am. That takes me back to my days of the Formula Firebird. Well, it's about the same year. That's the 80s, and mine was the 79, so can't be too far along. Old Novage. Sweet. Got the old Cruisers. It's old Chevy, man. It go back a ways, bud. Take a look at that. What do you think? We'll be back in a minute. And there's some more, kids. Big blockage. Dodge Hemi 6.1 liter. 6.1 liter. Chevy Evy with the Smalley block. Sweet. Check this vet out. Resto Mod 53-ish with an LS3 stuck in it. Catch that. That's bad. Okay. What else we got up here? A couple of more goodies. We'll be back in. Alright, kids, we're back. It's about 2 o'clock. I've left the car show. I'm cruising on 144 West. Nice drivey road, folks. That last section I came through is kicking. Woodmont Road. This is us, Woodmont Road. This is us. Okay, we're going on to Woodmont Road. Okay, it's going to take us down to the Potomac River, and we'll pick it up there as we cut over to, I forget where we're going. Well, this will wind up until we get to High Germany Road, and then Little Orleans Road. So we're back in the thicket here, kids. On Sunday afternoon, 2 o'clock. It's freaking hot out. I was cooking at that car show. So we'll give you a few seconds of this. Driving the countryside. That's what I'm doing on this Sunday afternoon, the 24th. It's July, so it's hot as hell. Part of the Western Maryland Trail is what this is. So we'll be back in a bit, kid. I'll film some more of this after I get down the road here a bit. Alright, we're back. After a little spirited drive down Woodmont Road. That's a cool road, folks. It's a really cool road. We are next to the C&O canal, over to your left. And I just saw the Potomac River about 2 seconds ago. So we're putzing along this little Pearre Rd or whatever it is. Right down here along the water. I'd say about 150 yards to my left is the Potomac River. So, pretty cool road, 144 coming out of Hancock down to Woodmont, and then Woodmont down to here. Those are drivey roads, folks, very drivey roads. So, we're going to chill along this road a little bit until we get to New Germany, High Germany Road. See ya. Alright, we're on Little Orleans Road. Twisties. Today. Very cool roads on this trip. I wasn't sure about this. Been wanting to do this for a while. Pretty fun. Found 3 so far. Alright, we're back again later. Okay, now we're back on Scenic 40. Just crossed over 68. Now we're heading back on this through Hancock. And then I'm going to get on to 70 or 68 for a little bit, and then get off at 40 Indian Springs. So, back at it again on Route 40 Scenic East. Okay, kids, we're back. It's a little after 3 o'clock. I just came off of 68 Interstate. Made a little stop, get something cold to drink. Now I'm on 40 East, heading towards Hagerstown. So, that's what we be doing. Been a nice day. Been on some great roads today. Gorgeous day out for cruising. We'll see you in a little bit. Just want to let you know where I'm at, what time of day, what we're doing. Just having a little fun in the car. See you in a bit, gang. Alright, folks, we're coming back to Rd N.E Road. road heading towards the bridge and home. Well, there you go, kids. It's been fun. About 3.5 hours out to western Maryland into Allegheny County, Green Ridge State Forest Park, or just whatever. Hancock. Might have gone through one of those flash cameras out in Hancock, so if I get a ticket. It was pretty cool. Some great roads. Woodmont, 144 going into that. Pierce or Peace Lane, down by the C&O Canal and the Potomac River. That's some fun stuff. There's some really cool roads. We had a great little father and son team out at some market. I have to find where it is. And Terp fans that said they'd look onto the website. All right, Garden Hours Bridge. We're almost there. So, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe if you want. Leave a comment if you want. And that'll be July's edition of this month's LAC films, Blue Skies Adventures, all that kind of stuff. They're going to put some new asphalt on my road, which is I'm liking a lot. See, it's nice and smooth. I'm supposed to come do my section in a little bit. They got a little chunk over here to do. And then they're going to do my section in a row. So I have some brand new asphalt going in and out of my little laneage. So kids, there you go. Green Ridge State Forest Run is what I'm going to call this. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next month. I'm not rightly sure where we're going. I'll have to pick a road for us. But I found some good ones today, I can tell you that. So, that was fun. It was kind of blisteringly hot. Ran the car good. It needed a good blast out. I was cooking there for a while. And now I'm cooked. I'm going in the air conditioning and download this and do some stuff. So here's where we're going to cut it. Right here at Garden Hours, or Poplar Grove Bridge. I'm at the old mill. A lot of history right here with this mill. A lot of history. All right, kids. We will see you next month. Thanks for joining me. See ya.